To celebrate the 250th anniversary of the United States Navy in October 2025, the bladesmithing team at West Virginia University wanted to do a special piece to commemorate it. With that in mind, we would like to introduce the Post, our take on the traditional naval officer sword, with its name representing all the brave soldiers who stood their post when called. With heavy inspiration from the state of West Virginia, the blade of the Post was made to the technical specifications of the traditional sword. High-carbon steel was selected for its historical use in this type of blade. It has great hardenability while also being easy to forge. Some creative liberties were taken with the handle to further incorporate the West Virginia state symbols. We cast the guard and pommel in brass, and the handle was fashioned from West Virginia's state tree, the sugar maple. During forging, the smiths flattened the high-carbon round stock. Both the physical structure and geometry of the steel have to be considered during this process. If forging continues while the steel is too cold, the smith runs the risk of introducing stress fractures into the steel. The final billet is then forged and flattened. After forging is completed, the team moves on to machining and grinding the billet into a blade. During this stage, all faces are milled to their desired dimensions, and a rough profile is ground into the blade. From here, the blade is taken back to the forge for heat treatment. The blade is carefully heated to approximately 1,200 degrees Celsius, ensuring an even heat distribution along its entire length. Once this process is completed, the blade is quenched in canola oil, which rapidly cools the steel, forming more martensitic phases. While the blade is still hot, it is placed between two flat pieces of steel to prevent warping. The Post is more than a combination of steel and West Virginia sugar maple. It is a functional tribute to 2.5 centuries of naval excellence. By blending the technical rigors of bladesmithing and the spirit of the mountain state, we have created a piece that honors the past while showcasing the engineering of the present.